This affordable home has 5 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths, offering plenty of space for a large family. The home features a large living room with a cozy fireplace and a formal dining room perfect for special gatherings. Additional features include a mudroom, half bath, and a dry basement with ample storage space. The home's second floor has a unique space that once held a kitchen with plumbing still intact, offering potential for an in-law suite or additional living space. The property also boasts a private backyard with a pool, patio, and flat yard perfect for outdoor entertaining and relaxation. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.